guys, and today we're going to be I'm going to be showing you how to make an animation in Scratch. So what I'm going to do is open up Scratch. Alright, now let's make it bigger. And I'm just going to do a simple animation of a bouncing ball. So I'm going to go to Backdrops and I'm going to make a ground like that. Now for the animation, I'm going to choose I'm going to actually draw my own spray. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go paint. Now it's going to start off here. It's going to be dropping from the sky, let's say. Let's duplicate it. Move it a little down. So what we're going to do is squash and stretch. So I'm going to do that. Okay, we're going to duplicate that. And I'm going to press shift so it doesn't move out of our line. Okay, here we go. I'm going to make this a round ball. And it's going to move as it moves more down. I'm going to squish it. Now, for the end, we're just going to make it go back to a regular ball. And so now we're going to go to their code. And when green flag clicks, forever looks. I'm going to switch costume for when green flag click to costume 1. And then I'm going to go to next costume. Oh, that's fast. Alright, and that's how you make a bouncing ball animation in Scratch.